Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Wefunix wireless car charger mount. It is an automatic clamping system and it has QI fast charging option with 10 watt power and 7.5 and 5 watt of course. It is an holder system. It is compatible with, for example, Apple iPhone XS, Max, XR, 11, iPhone 11 Pro, and Pro Max. And of course the 8 model and the X, and of Samsung S10, S9 Plus, S8, etc. Everything what you need on the road is a navigation system, for example. But if your car do not support a navigation system, you have to build in this, or you're going to use a wireless car charging, not car charging, it is a smartphone charging mount. Then you are able to get in your Apple iPhone, for example, into it, and then you can navigate for free. This is nice. It is a 2-in-1 automatic system. When you connect to the power, but using the lightning system inside your car, the arms would open and slide open automatically. This is the easiest wireless charger I ever seen, and it is a really good thing and so smart. You have a seat, then you push only on the right or on the left side the push button, and then it slides out. And if you like to dock your smartphone in it, only get into position and this device will clamp it easily. It will clamp automatically and start charging immediately. Just touch the side sensor buttons to open the arms. No more is needed. This is really awesome. I think it is a science fiction thing. I think so. And you have a good suction cup. This contains a suction cup plus it is a glue thing, a jelly thing under this suction cup. This will let this device better into position. It is very stable on the glasses, front glasses, and you have another plate in it which you can dock on your dashboard with a bottom side of 3M glue, and on top of the board you are able to use strong suction cup. Yeah, this is easy, isn't it? And in the box is an air vent mount. I cannot show you this because my air vents are in a circle way. But if you have slices there, you can use it too. That means you have here so many options to use this this wireless car charging mount on your vehicle. And you have fast charging and an adjustable view. 10 watt fast charging. This is for Samsung Galaxy, for example, Note 9, 8, 5, S9, etc. Everything. S6 Edges Plus. 7.5 watt fast charging is for the iPhone 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, X, XS Max, etc. Up, downgrading to 8 Plus. And 5 watt standard charge is for all other QI enabled phones out there. 360-degree adjustable head and flexible telescopic device setup On the dashboard, Krell extends from 145 millimeters to 230 millimeters, provide the most suitable angle for viewing and safe driving for you. Universal for phones of 2.4 up to 3.5 inches. The sides arms grab that phone firmly no matters what condition of the road is. And you do not need to remove the phone case before the wireless charging will begin. This wireless charger is engineered to transmit electric power directly through even heavy protection case. The thickness should not be more than 5 millimeters, and not metal. If you have a metal case, it will stop working. Then you have to remove your smartphone first, then dock it into this loader, and job's done. Okay, it's no problem. And it is so easy. Connect the power source before using. Remove the phone from the wireless charger before turning off the car power. Do not use metal ring holder, metal plate sticker, credit cards, and pop sockets to a wireless charge. Otherwise, the foreign objects detection function will be enabled by the green LED flashing and stop charging to protect your phone and charger. Please stretch out the adjustable feet of the car mount to fit the different size of the phones to align the wireless charging area to the center of your phone to work perfectly. Otherwise, it will maybe fail to connect. It is highly recommended to use air vent mount in the summer to avoid the higher temperature influence charging function at speed. And please use the QC 3.0 secret lighter adapter for fast charging, but this thing is included. So you have an automatic clamping system, wireless car charger, one hand operation, and this is innovative and practically really awesome. This is the best car charger I ever used before. Really, for phones, it can work with most of the phone cases, even the other box case. For Android phones, it can work with the rubber leather plastic phone cases, which is thickness no more than 4 millimeters and net compatible with the OtterBox. Do not use the metal rings, magnetic pop sockets on the phone cases, and you have a QR certified wireless charger here. It is a standard and requirement for every wireless charger is safe, fast, and has wide compatibility. And you have a variable angle and a retractable adjusting holding system. The charging head can rotate 360 degrees. It has a flexible telescopic arm extended from 145 millimeters to 230 millimeters. Adjust the angle of car holder for the best navigation while you are driving. And you can use it on, for example, air vent outlets. But this is the second thing in the box. So if you have circular roundings like me, it's not hard to use this by the suction cup, really. It has a very stable air vent mount, unlike others, although not so good on the condition, but I cannot test it because I have another thing. And you have a washable and reuse suction cup. If you change another place to install the dashboard mount, please wash the gear of suction cup at first. When it is naturally dried, it will become as stable as a new one. So you can reactivate it by using it without washing. So input power is DC 5 volt and 2 ampere, DC 9 volt and 1.67 ampere, and output is 5 watt, 7.5 watt, and 10 watt fast charging. The charging distance is around 10 millimeters. The power consumption is about 75%, and the charging time is 3 up to 4 hours. And you have all what you need here. Silicon fixation arms, release touch buttons on both sides. You have LED indicators. You have adjustable feet, phone stand feet, Type C charging port. The suction mount fixed button is on the top side. 360 degrees rotation pivot is there, and the length adjustable rotative knob. Wow. Retractable holder and able rotary knob is in the box too. That means in this thing you have all what you need for assembling a smartphone in a safe direction on the front side of your car. And this is a really good wireless car charger mount. Here you can see, and I have so much fun with it. This is like future thing, I think though. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.